Berry Berry Kids TV. In. The girl is in the box. On. The girl is on the box. At. The girl is at the box. Beside. The girl is beside the box. Among. The girl is among the box. Inside. The girl is inside the box. In front of. The girl is in front of the box. Across. The girl is across the box. Between. The girl is between the box. Under. The girl is under the table. Behind. The girl is behind the box. Outside. The girl is outside the box. Out of. The girl is out of the box. Near. The girl is near the box. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon for more videos.